It's a great day in Maryland horse country. I am out here today to reclaim this pasture. It was intended to be hay and would be some decent hay. You'll see it kind of back up in here. But the homeowners do not have equipment to mow it. And the equipment that was supposed to come in to pull hay out of it was unable to make it past certain infrastructure on the roads out here. So I am going to pack away at it and turn it into something that's more manageable for the homeowners to continue maintaining with their small tractor. Should be a great day. Great day in Maryland. It's been a slog. It's like 95 degrees. I have diesel. I've sweat through everything. I'm in my business casuals, but make great progress. Just about done. I got this little patch here, and then yeah, on to the next project at this property. This is just a reclamation. Keep in mind, this isn't a golf course. I'm not trying to go for a complete, finished product here. This is just to get it to a point where I believe they have like an 855 old school tractor with a 3-point. They'll be able to get back to maintaining this, and obviously won't let it get to the hay length that it was. But thanks for coming along. I'll see you on the next one.